Aqsa is the resident of Kotli Satya. She belongs to a poor family with 2 younger brothers. She studies in matric at Dukhtarane Islam Institute. She is not the only student who is getting costless education from Dukhtarane Islam Institute, but there are hundreds of other students who are getting modern and traditional education from the institute. The institute is affiliated with Ghazali Education Trust. Dukhtarane Islam Institute, known as Daughters of Peace, the only institute that caters for the females of the area, which covers approximately 30 kilometers of Tehsil Kotli Satya. Kotli Satya is a beautiful place with lush green valleys, located in high mountains near River Jhelum. Kotli Satya is on 65 kilometers drive from Islamabad. The population of Tehsil Kotli Satya is around 80,000 and most of the people live below the poverty line. Dukhtarane Islam Institute believes in the philosophy described by Abraham Lincoln, "Give me 6 hours to chop out the tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." Director of this institute, Nazir Satti, started the project with a few students in year 2001. Over 10 million Pakistani rupees have been spent on the project of Dukhtarane Islam Institute. Dukhtarane Islam Institute is working with a vision to change the faith of women of remote areas through knowledge and awareness. 150 students are getting education in Dukhtarane Islam Institute yearly. More than 500 students have completed their education from this institute, and 150 students have passed their graduation and have been able to continue higher studies in different subjects, while others are serving the society in a better way. Well-trained teachers are busy in providing traditional as well as modern education to the students.
मैं यहाँ पे फिज़िक्स पढ़ाती हूँ और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये एक ऐसा इदारा है जहाँ पर सिर्फ जो है वो दीनी तालीम ही नहीं दी जाती, बल्कि जो आज इस मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके मुताबिक भी यहाँ पर तालीम दी जाती है.
Students here are not only receiving the education but also learning the discipline in life. Institute's assembly starts with recitation of Holy Quran, and national anthem warms patriotism in students. The institute is fully equipped with state-of-art computer lab, laboratory, and library. Nazmeen Kausar is ex-student of institute and nowadays doing masters in Urdu.
मैंने BA दुख्तरान इस्लाम कॉलेज कोटली सतिया से किया. मेरा शुमार उन तालिबात में होता है. जब इस इदारे का क़याम किया गया था तो उस वक्त मैंने जहाँ पे 2003 में FA का इम्तिहान FA के इम्तिहान के तौर पर आकर यहाँ पे दाखिला लिया. FA और BA करने के बाद जहाँ पर मैं तालिबात को इसी इदारे में जो है वो उर्दू मज़ामीन जो है वो पढ़ा रही हूँ.
There is no other college for girls in the area where students are getting education from far-flung areas. Dukhtaran-e-Islam provides the residence facilities to the students. Girls here are provided with home-like environment.
तकरीबन 1 साल हो गया मुझे आए हुए। फर्स्ट ईयर मैंने यहाँ से ही की है और इसके अलावा जो है मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ और टीचर जो है हमारा स्टाफ है वो बहुत एजुकेटेड है।
मेरा ताल्लुक़ मरी से है। मैं फ़र्स्ट ईयर ICS की क्लास में यहाँ आई थी और अब मैं सेकंड ईयर में हूँ। यहाँ का स्टाफ भी बहुत अच्छा है। हमारी दीनी दोनों लिहाज से हमारी जो तालीम है बहुत सही होती है, दीनी और दुनियावी लिहाज से। हॉस्टल का माहौल भी बहुत अच्छा है।
Parents of students are fully satisfied from educational standard of institute.
साड़ी ख्वाहिश सी कि इस कोटली सतियां ने अंदर इस किस्म का कोई स्कूल होवे ताकि साड़ियां जड़ियां बच्चियां ही इन्होंने ज़िंदगी ने मुस्तकबिल विच असा की मदद मिला है और मैं अपनी बच्ची इसे दाखिल करने तो बाद बहुत अच्छे तरीके नाल मुतमिन हाँ और इस स्कूल ने जो भी सहूलतां उस पर भी अस मुतमिन हाँ और किसी किस्म ने इस मामले में असा की कोई शिकायत भी नहीं और असी खुश हाँ। साढ़े बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल जड़ा वो भी बहुत अच्छा जा रहा, म्यार भी बहुत अच्छा जा रहा।
Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute organizes its board of directors meeting quarterly. Current ceremony was presided over by Mushtaq Ahmed Raja. Distinguished guests and a large number of students were present there. It was started with the name of Almighty Allah, and students participated in different activities in the ceremony. The reason behind naming Dukhtaran-e-Islam is that we believe if you are educating a girl, it's like you are educating whole society.
अगर कोई भी मर्द चमक रहा है, किसी दमकते हुए आसमान पर है, किसी सितारे की मानंद रोशनी दे रहा है, तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी माँ की रोशनी, अपनी पहली आगोश की रोशनी को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है।
While addressing the ceremony, President appreciated the students and their efforts for getting education. At the end of ceremony, students shared their experiences in Dukhtaran-e-Islam.
I am the student of 4th year. I have completed 4 years of education in this recognized and well-reputed institute. I learned how to spend a balanced life.
मुझे इस इदारे से मुंसलिक हुए दूसरा साल जा रहा है और इस हवाले से मेरा ये ख्वाब है कि मैं अपने इलाके और पाकिस्तान के हर घर में इल्म का चिराग रोशन कर सकूं।
I am new student in this institute. I feel well enough educational environment here. Now I am satisfied and hopeful about my bright future because I think this is a well-reformed, well-reported, excellent teaching staff.
Seher Latif started her educational career from Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute and graduated from here with honor.
मेरा नाम सहर लतीफ़ है। मैं सेकेंड ईयर की स्टूडेंट हूँ। रावलपिंडी और इस्लामाबाद से दूर दराज इस रूरल एरिया में लड़कियों की हायर एजुकेशन के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। दुख्तारान-ए-इस्लाम अकेडमी इस एरिया में एक वाहिद उम्मीद की किरण है।
She is doing Masters in English from Fatima Jinnah Women University, and during her vacation, she is voluntarily teaching in Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute.
I did my bachelor's from this institute, Dukhtaran-e-Islam, and there is an illuminated wick among the mountain valleys, which is a source of showing a bright way. That's called Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute. For many years, this college is performing its successful mission and assuming its obligation properly. Many of the girls acquired education from here and got admission in various recognized universities for post-graduation, which indicates the gorgeous achievements of Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute. Both worldly and religious knowledge is given here, and I pray to Allah that He may keep this college in His amnesty. And I also request to you guys that you too cooperate with this college.
Come forward for the expansion of Dukhtaran-e-Islam Institute. You can contribute a lot in the education of girls by sponsoring even a single student. Your support will be greatly appreciated by paying $400 or 35,000 Pakistani rupees annually for a single student.